first painting is Maru Ragini. Artist's name is Sahibdeen, sub-school is Mewar, period is 1605 CE or 17th century AD. Medium is tempera, which is a watercolor medium on paper. Collection is National Museum, New Delhi. Most of the miniatures that are in our syllabus are generally kept in National Museum, New Delhi. And we need to do all these points as they are, and you have to, remember them point wise, because these are to be mandatorily written in every description of painting, and they can also be part of MCQs which are now there in your exam. Whenever a question is asked in exam, they ask you the description of painting in terms of theme, compositional arrangement and color scheme. So we can divide the description into three main paragraphs. The first paragraph can include theme or subject matter, second can include description or compositional arrangement, and third can include color scheme. You can put headings or you may just write three paragraphs normally. In theme, we can write that this painting is from Ragmala series. Ragmala paintings are personifications of ragas and raginis in terms of a color, mood or a verse which describes the story of a hero and heroine, also called Nayak and Naikas. In this painting, Sahibdeen has also combined the theme of Dhola Maru, which is a folk ballad in which Dhola is a prince and Maru is a princess. They had to go through a lot of struggles to finally be together, and in this scene they are shown as escaping together on a camel. In description, we can write that this is a royal couple set against a pale yellow background and light green foreground. Two male escorts are running along the camel, and they are holding sticks in their hands and armed. They are also armed with swords. The camel is very well decorated, and he also looks like the royal camel. A hunting dog is also seen running ahead of the two escorting males. One male attendant is leading the enthusiastic camel. Now, dresses of all figures are also made according to their ranks and their social status. The dresses of the royal couple are more elaborate, and attendants are looking simpler. The facial expressions are also shown with rhythmic lines, and the royal couple is looking at each other, and this emotion of love is also showing in that. Then Marushri Ragini is legible on top of the painting along with the other text. In color scheme, if you have noticed, these are all primary colors, that is red, yellow and blue, with white and a little bit of green in the foreground. There is a dark blue arch on top of the painting which is giving the necessary contrast and dominance to this royal couple. And there is also very smart use of transparent white in the whole composition. So in the end, we can say that this painting has been done very skillfully by the artist.